Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log out of Peacock on all devices. To log out of Peacock TV on all devices, first of all you'll need to go visit the Peacock website. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box and type in peacocktv.com. Once you get to the home page of Peacock TV, go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top right hand corner. Under Who's Watching, click on the Account button at the top right. This will open up the Account tab where you'll need to select Devices. Scroll down and click on Sign Out All right next to Other Devices and click on Sign Out All Devices one more time. This will then sign you out of all of the devices from your Peacock account, but your current device will be signed in. So that is how you will be able to sign out of all devices connected to your Peacock account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.